Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We do have a little special guest here right now because I don't know why. Why are you here? He loves me, that's why. He wants to be beside me. But anyways, for today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing this brush set from Hilton. It is called the Master Contour 5-piece contour set. So yeah, I was able to get this full face of makeup using these 5 brushes. So if you want to see my thoughts on them and how they performed and everything like that, then please keep watching. So I've already gone ahead and prepped my face, and I just used the primer, Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. But moving on to the brush set, it comes with 5 brushes. So it comes with 5 brushes, and if you open it, it just looks like this. And I have taken them out because I did wash them all, so I could use them on my face. And it just comes with a bronzer brush, a contour brush, a foundation brush, a highlighting brush, and a concealer brush. So I'm gonna be just applying a basic face of makeup, testing out these brushes to see if they're good or not. So going in with the foundation brush, and it's just a basic foundation flat brush. I've never actually applied a foundation like this. Like, I've applied it, but I've never blended it in like this. So I'm a little nervous to see how it's gonna turn out and if I'm gonna like it. My eyebrow is finally growing back in over there where the lady waxed it right off. So I'm so excited about that. I mean, it's obviously not my color, but like always, we're just gonna pretend it is because I'm gonna make it work. I'm just taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Foundation. So far, just using it, it has a very soft feeling to it. Like, it doesn't have a very prickly feeling. Like, as I'm applying, like using it on my face, it's not prickling me or anything like that, which I do love. I hate when a brush prickles. Okay, I feel like I've been sitting here for quite some time trying to blend this out, and I'm not sure if you're gonna pick it up, but it's really just streaky and not covering it how I would want it to. And I'm personally not gonna blame that on the brush because, like I've said, I've never used a brush like this to apply a foundation. I've only used it to just put the foundation on and blend it in with the beauty blender. So I'm not really sure if I'm doing it correctly or anything like that, but the brush is very soft and I will be using it to apply the foundation on my face but not blend it in. So I would probably say that I do recommend this brush, but not to blend it out, only to first put it on. I'm going in with my Morphe Y6 brush to blend this in. I also feel like applying it that way made it less full coverage than it really is. Moving on to the next brush in the set, we have the concealer brush, and it's just a flat brush, almost kind of looks like an eyeshadow brush. So already just using this brush, it does feel very soft. It's not prickly like some brushes can be, which is a good thing because nobody wants a prickly brush. Again, I would never personally use something like this to blend out my concealer. I would only use it to apply the concealer from like a jar, like something that came like this. Which any other time I am doing my makeup, like in the future now, I won't be using this brush to blend it out, but I would pick it up, like I would reach for it to go into the pot and apply it to my face. But me personally, I just prefer a beauty blender to apply my creams to my face, or a brush like this. Let me find it. This Morphe E8 brush I really like, or this Morphe M536 brush I do really like for concealers. Just like up close if you can see. It's not really turning out how I would like my concealers to turn out, so I am just gonna go in with a different brush because I'm not about to have my whole face looking streaky and stuff like that. But I do like the brush for applying the product because the brush feels really soft and smooth on the face. I just personally prefer to blend my concealers and stuff out with the beauty blender or brushes like I showed. So I did just go ahead and finish blending that concealer on both sides of my eyes, and I did go and apply a setting powder because there is no powder brush in this collection. So we still have 3 brushes left to try out, and I'm gonna go in, I don't know if I want to bronze or contour first. I'm gonna bronze. So I'm just gonna take this bronzer brush, and it does just look like this. Now I would use a brush shape like this for maybe powder or even bronzer. So yeah, let's see. So I am just taking the Physicians Formula bronzer, but I'm just gonna dip the brush in here, and just by feel, like when I was touching the brush, it does feel so soft. So I've already just done one half my face with the bronzer, but I can actually say I really do like this brush. I think it picks up a lot of product. It distributes it evenly on the face. It blends it so nicely, and it's really soft. So I actually do really like this brush. Yeah, it's so nice. I have a big forehead, so we need to bronze it a lot. This brush here is a 10 out of 10 for sure. Now, I'm going to go into contouring, and this is the contour brush they have in the palette, in the set. And this is not normally a brush that I would contour with. I would just use something shaped like this to bronze my face. And to contour, I would use something like this, more of a pointed brush. But I will just give it a shot. Oh, my nose is itchy. And I'm just taking this powder from the Body Shop and just feeling this brush, like it's just super soft. So these brushes do pick up a lot of product, which I'm not complaining about. It definitely works. So for this bronzing brush, I do really like it. It's very soft on the face, like all of them were actually. I'm really impressed how soft they were. I would use this again for contouring because I actually do like how it looked on the face. And I would use it for bronzing too. Honestly, I would reach for this brush a lot. I really would reach for all the brushes in this set because they are really soft and I really do like them. Now moving on to the very last brush in this set is this highlighting brush right here. And this does just look like your standard highlighting brush. They all say what they are right there. And again, it's just very like soft. And I feel like this is probably going to be my favorite brush because I love highlighter. And especially this shape of brush for highlighter is my favorite. And this is just the Mary Luminizer highlighter. So, a 10 out of 10 for this brush as well. So if we're gonna go yeah, so 10 out of 10 for this brush as well. I do really like it. It blends the highlighter out super smoothly, super nice. A really soft brush again. I mean, I don't know how much she really work she really puts into this, but if she puts any into, or whoever's putting the work in behind these brushes, they made sure these things are soft. So I did just go off camera to finish up my makeup, and I did just add a lip and some mascara, and the lip that I used was the Kylie lip in the shade Commando. But overall, I really did like this brush set here. All 5 brushes worked really nice. They all were so smooth on the skin. They felt so good, and I would give them all a 10 out of 10. The only ones that I'm like about is the foundation and concealer one, and that is just because I would not ever use those to blend out my foundation or my concealer, because that's not what I prefer to use to do those things. But I would use those to apply the foundation first and then go and blend it in with the beauty blender, and same thing with the concealer, which I do actually do that a lot of the time. So I really do like these brushes. I don't see why anybody wouldn't like them. They are really nice. The only thing I could think is if I was blending the foundation out proper, it was really streaky, but again, I don't blend my foundation out like that, so I'm not the best judge about how it should look and stuff like that. But yes, I really do like these brushes. The bronzing brush and the highlighting brush are definitely my favorite too, because they are so nice. Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi? Hello, boy. You're so cute. You're just peeking your head. So yeah. Anyways, if you did like this video and you like reviews like this, please make sure to let me know in the comments below, because I'll do a bunch more videos like this. But please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll be back with another video. Say bye. Say bye. Oh, say bye. Bye.